Nepal is a land of diversities, a land where the tallest mountains meet the purest temples and the temples complement the stupas. A country enlightened by Lord Buddha's preachings, a country so diverse yet so beautifully united. This is Nepal. What binds all these differences together is the national flag. The Nepali national flag not only depicts the unity but also complements our history, geography, ethnicity, and emotions. Being the only triangular flag in this world, the shape of it resonates with the tall and mighty Himalayas. The two triangles represent the two classes of historic rulers of the country, the Shahas and the Ranas, while also indicating the two main religions of the secular country, Hinduism and Buddhism. The presence of the sun and the moon, better known as Chandra Surya, is to indicate the existence of the country till the existence of these celestial bodies in the sky. The bold crimson color signifies bravery, unfolds the saga of fierce Gurkha soldiers who unified this country. The blue border depicts peace and tranquility, tells how the people living here live together, sharing their cultures, traditions, and wisdom. So, welcome to the land of divinity. Welcome to the land of lifetime experiences.